everybody, happy Friday. I have one box of Optic. I thought about ordering two, but I think my luck's on the downside right now, so you know, it's kind of a lot of money for just 6 cards. Let's see how I do. I always say these are boom or bust. They can be somewhere in between, but usually it's boom or bust, so we'll see. There are 2 autographs, including 1 on card. We're looking for rookie ticket autographs. These are good looking cards. I don't know if they're good looking enough to, you know, make it worth the price. Let's see. There's the odds if anybody wants to pause and look at those. As you can see, there are tons of parallel versions. I mean, these cards are gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but you know, I'm just these boxes, when I open a box, I want it to be more like Heritage, where I'm sitting here for a good minute opening packs instead of 1 minute opening 1 pack. Alright, there. Sorry, got interrupted. Anyways, here's the pack. Alright. I haven't watched any breaks. I don't know how these are lined up. I don't know if we're going to see the hits right off the bat or what. Alright. So I'm just going to set them down. I'm actually going to try not to look. Let me just pull one at a time. Hide them from myself even. I want to be surprised. Okay. Card number 1 is Eli Manning. There's the back. Looks just like the regular Contenders, but chromium. Alright, next we have, so I can pull this without looking. It feels thick. Oh, Blake Bortles, so it's a parallel. Red, obviously, to 199. So far, not so great. 2 quarterbacks that are, I don't know, a lot of people love Eli, and I think Bortles probably doesn't get the credit he's due, but either way. Alright, next up, we have Dylan Cantrell. I don't know much about him, but this looks to be gold. It is. It's numbered to 10. So that helps, definitely helps add value. Chargers player. Yeah, I don't know much about him. Maybe somebody let me know in the comments. Do they think this is like a really good pull, or nah, or maybe? So that's 1 autograph, and that is a sticker auto. So there's only 2 cards left. I don't know. Alright, I pulled this one from the bottom. Adam Thielen. No, there should be 3 cards left. So Thielen base card. Pull another one from the bottom here. It's an insert. Marshawn Lattimore, Alvin Kamara, X's and O's. And that is numbered out of 175. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't think the base cards are numbered. Let me look again. No. Thielen's a nice pull though. Alright, last one. This will be the own card autograph. And it is of Bradley Chubb. And it is a parallel to 99. So not bad. Not a bad box. I wish this was Nick Chubb instead. Just because I like him better. But Bradley Chubb's good too. Rookie ticket red on card. So this to 99 and the Cantrell to 10. I'm pretty okay with that. I'm not gonna sign off and cry in the corner. So cool. Again, let me know what you know about Dylan Cantrell. Let me know what you know. And let's see if that gold is better than I might even be thinking it is. I don't know about another box of this. Maybe, maybe not. I pre-ordered it, so the price was pretty good. And it shot up probably $30-40 since that time, so I don't know if I'm willing to pay the super hot just release price. I have to think about it. I don't know. There's lots of other stuff coming up that might be a little bit more attractive. So anyways, I'm not gonna blab. I said it would be a short video. I'm gonna keep it that way. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great weekend. I'll be back with my next break very soon. Oh, we got some good stuff coming out next week. Donruss and a couple Donruss baseball. What else? Something else is coming on the 6th, I think. I don't know. I'll have to remember. But anyways, I pre-ordered a bunch of stuff that's about to come out, so I'll be back with those videos and lots more. Take care.